Mumbai is choking again as the city's air quality takes a sharp nosedive. Key areas like Borivali, Malad, Kolaba have recorded AQI levels in the poor category, blanketing the financial capital in a thick layer of smog for the fourth consecutive day. Remember, Mumbai is also shivering through its coldest winter in decades, compounding the air quality crisis. Earlier, the Bombay High Court slammed the Maharashtra government and civic authorities, emphasizing citizens' constitutional right to a pollution-free environment. Now, the court has demanded immediate and sustained action to tackle pollution from all sources, that is. All right, that is the latest. What we're given to understand with that situation, of course, in Mumbai is that the air quality has turned hazardous. Of course, if you were to compare what's happening in the north in specific, those numbers in Mumbai might look very small. But at the same point of time, very important to note here that this is also coming in tandem with, legally speaking, the observations made by the court, because doesn't matter which region it is, every citizen has the right to be breathing clean air. Having said that, taking that across to my colleague Shweta Verma, who joins me live this morning. Shweta, very good morning to you. Given the fact that, just before, I'm coming to you, we were discussing about what the situation in the national capital is like. It's a nightmare. Everybody knows what they're bracing for. But in both these conditions, whether we're also talking about Mumbai, that is, citizens find themselves in this, right? There is no respite from this. The numbers might, increase, decrease, but at the end of the day, there's nothing that's being done, unfortunately, to combat this.
Well, that's right, Nivedna. In fact, the face is similar in Mumbai as well. And while we understand that the air quality index has taken a dip, in fact, I have the number which suggests that from Bandra till Borivali, including Kolaba, Devnar, all these are lying into poor category. Now, let me quickly tell you about Borivali East. That is on 236 on AQI. That comes to the very poor category. Similarly, if I just talk about Devnar, that is also on 180. That is again falling into poor category. Similarly, we just go till Kolaba also, which is standing at 107. Now, understand that in this particular parameters also, now we see that the pollutant 2.5 is actually increasing, which is leading to great cause of concern to citizens, those who are out on morning walks. Where I'm present, this is an area full of dust, in fact, and the dust owing to the various factors getting attributed to it. But my video journalist Manoj is trying to show you the visuals, how hazy the atmosphere is. In fact, it is early morning, but still looking grayish, and because of the construction and the increase of pollutant 2.5, this is leading to the entire environment, which is in fact been hazy and grey with the naked eye. And imagine the kind of air that we are inhaling, that is full of dust. In fact, moreover this, we understand that this is going to remain till next 4 to 5 days. And yes, when it comes to the citizens, it is a great cause of concerns to them, and this is also being very hazardous for their health. And as we report for AQI, we understand that because of the chill weather also, this is somewhere we understand that the citizens are facing a lot more difficulties when they are already facing difficulty while breathing. And now we understand that with the AQI taken a dip in Mumbai, this grapples the situation even worsen, and making the citizens face and worry a lot about it.
Right, Shweta. Thank you very much for joining us this morning in terms of putting that into perspective for us as to what that's looking like.